This video will go over the use of the dispenser assembly jig. To start, loosen the two black screws on the dispenser cartridge. This will allow you to remove the piezoelectric and micropipette from the cartridge. To remove the micropipette from the piezo, simply use some acetone to dissolve the glue that holds the two together. Use a pipette to apply acetone on the glue. After you have applied some acetone, carefully remove the glass from the piezo by applying a small amount of pressure to the glass micropipette. If there is any excess glue remaining on the piezo, you may need to place the piezo in an acetone bath. Once the piezo has been thoroughly cleaned, bend the red and green wires to 90 degrees between the piezo and the gray insulation. Insert the piezo through the back of the jig and place piezo into small slot. Push the RJ11 wire down and use the provided pin to secure the wire. You may need to push the pin until it hits the green and red wires. The piezo should align with the slot running across the top of the jig. This slot will be used to place the new micropipette onto the piezo. Apply a thin bead of glue to the top of the piezo. We recommend crazy glue, but any cyanoacrylate glue will work. Position the glass micropipette in the slot such that the tip does not extend more than 7 to 8 mm from the piezo. Give the glue a couple of minutes to cure. Once a few minutes have passed and the glue has cured, hold down the assembly and carefully remove the pin. By removing the pin, you can now carefully lift the assembly away from the jig. Carefully pull the RJ11 cable through the back of the jig to remove assembly completely. It is important not to hit the micropipette tip during this process. The slightest contact will break the tip. Shorten the micropipette by using a ceramic scoring wafer. Score the glass and apply a small amount of pressure. The glass should break cleanly. The micropipette has now been replaced and the dispenser can now be reassembled. Reinsert piezo and micropipette assembly into cartridge and tighten the black plastic screws. If you have any additional questions or concerns, please feel free to give us a call or email us.